As you may know, your mom's house is located in Manhattan. No, not your mom's house. Your mom's house. The content creator house located in Manhattan. Today we're going to be looking at apartments for rent within Manhattan in the price range of $1,000 to $2,500. Alright, let's get started. Alright, so our first point is going to be here, which is $2,335 a month. It is one bed and one bath. So it looks like a really, really nice spot. And I love when there's furniture in houses, so you can kind of get an estimation of how the house or apartment will feel when there's actually stuff inside. So here are these images. Looks like a really large house. So this is the bedroom, this is the kitchen, this is the bedroom when it's empty, and the washroom. So it looks like a very nicely sized space, and it is 700 square feet. We have this next spot that is $1,895 a month. It is also one bed, one bath, and it's 700 square feet. So let's check out this place. It looks really, really neat and clean, so that's always nice. So here are the images. We have the kitchen and the living space and the bathroom. Oh yes, there is laundry, amazing, and the bathroom. All right, so this is $1,895, and the location or neighborhood is in Glendale. So the walk score is 81 and the bike score is 75. So this is a very, very nice walkable and bikeable location. All right, next on our list is this location right here, which is for $5,495 a month, one bed, 1.5 bath, and it's 850 square feet. So we can just say it's about 5,500. All right, so this is our location. Let's check it out. Looks like a really nice living space. Great furniture, staged very nicely. And here we have the floor plan. Very nice, great views and awesome windows. Nice kitchen, bedroom. All right, here's a washroom. Great views once again. Oh, so this would be like the downstairs lounge area. Very nice. And you get a workout room. Possibly they might have some amenities as well. Some places do have it. And we are in Midtown. So the walk score is excellent. This is a paradise for walkers and for transit. So this is actually really, really cool. When we go all the way up across the Central Park, we have this next one, which is for $3,500. It's 3 bedroom, 1 bath, and it's 900 square feet. So it looks like a really nice open place. Great lighting. Wow. Great hallway here, probably like the bedroom and washroom and all that stuff. I love this. This is actually really nice. This is pretty cool. All right, so here's one of the beds. The bathroom we have here. And so we see it's close to one of the transits. So let's see what score it's going to give us. Transit, yep, there we go, 100. That is awesome. And walking score is 97, which is also awesome. Comment below if you have ever seen or met any of the members from your mom's house. And this is going to be our next spot, which is $2,700. It's a studio, 1 bath at 500 square feet. All right, so here is our living space. With the living space, the kitchen, really, really nice appliances, great washroom. Wow, so here is like the entrance area. Very nice. Here's like the street area as well, and some nearby conveniences. So that's really nice. All right, so let's check out these scores. Wow, once again, the walk score and transit score is totally making a huge impact in this area. Everything is so close by. Everyone or many people want to be in Manhattan. Specifically, this place is Sutton Place. All right, so this is actually really, really nice. Comment below once again if you've met or seen any of the members from your mom's house, and comment and let us know if you're looking for a specific place. Maybe we can do a video just for you.